Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we will discuss on electronic health records in Australian nursing practice. So if you've been placed recently or have been in placement recently, you must have noticed one thing. Barely anyone is writing on paper charts anymore. The Australian healthcare system or the entire healthcare system is completely relying on electronic records, which is known as EHR. Now, just knowing how to click through the system isn't same as understanding what EHR actually is. What are your legal responsibilities while documenting in one, and what all can commonly go wrong. So in today's video, we are going to cover all these topics. Now, starting with what actually EHR is. An EHR or electronic health record is a digital real-time record of patients' health information, which includes their observation history, medication details, their assessments, results, and their care plan, which is accessible through the clinicians inside, and in some cases is also accessible through different service departments. Now, coming to the next point, in Australia, you'll likely encounter two different but related things. One is organizational EHR. It is based on softwares like Clinical Information System, and the second is My Health Record. This is a digital platform which is national and consumer based platform which pulls out the information, also like discharge information, if the patient has correctly filled in and has registered for. Now discussing about the next component, which is why EHR matters for patient safety. EHR actually reduces a lot of errors which may be caused by illegible handwriting, which is notoriously a dangerous, problem that can be caused because of the handwriting, which may not be understood by one clinician or the other, especially for the medication orders, if I say. Now, the second issue and EHR helps in reducing is the handover issue. It doesn't give scope and space for handover, misinformation or incomplete information. Suppose a nurse has ended her shift and this handover of a patient has gone to another nurse in the shift, then the nurse who's leaving can write all the information in the handover process in EHR, this digital platform, for the next nurse to take over to see. And this also allows not to miss the important points. Like I said, medication is one important, but history is also very important, not to be missed. Now talking about the third factor, many systems include patient safety features. Patient safety features means they include the medication alerts for allergies and drug interactions, and they automatically flag when this breaches the threshold. So this is an important, very, very amazing built-in feature that EHR has, and it helps in the patient safety, definitely the patient safety. Also, this reduces the physical movement of the paper charts from one ward to another. So this reduces the time, and very important advantage of using EHR is multiple clinicians can see the updated information simultaneously without actually moving the paper charts from one ward to the other, which saves the time and definitely is more reliable and accurate. As a nursing student, anything and everything that you document in EHR is a legal record. So your documentation actually follows the same principle as it follows in the paper chart format. It is just and in EHR it is just the digital format, nothing else. It follows the same principle. So every nursing student or nursing staff or professional must follow accurate, timely, objective and complete information documentation in an EHR. Now, timely matters the most, though it may not sound that it matters the most in documentation in an EHR, but actually it matters the most. How? You need to document everything timely before anything worse would happen, or before you forget what was discussed. So EHR is a digital platform which is available right in front of you, so that as soon as you have a verbal communication with any other clinician or any other healthcare professional, you can document it at the same time. So this matters the most, the timely documentation, so that EHR is updated timely and the clinicians who are using it simultaneously are updated on the right time and are on the right track. Also, you must use EHR alerts very, consciously, because the alerts are the red alerts, like I told you, for medication or drug interaction or medication allergies, allergies to different medications are a great built-in feature that a nurse can use. Not talking about login security, because that matters too. As a nurse, and honesty lies in your hand. You are supposed to log in using your username, so that, because let me tell you, remind you one thing, EHR has an audit trail. Means every editing, every entry that you make into EHR is saved by your username, by your name, and with the timestamp, so that when someone audits in or sees or checks who has commented on this particular section or column, it will reflect your name. So honesty is in your hand, and the documentation should always and always be honest. Now let's talk about the common errors that a nursing staff can make while documentation on EHR. Again, the first is not updating it timely. Second is not by not updating it timely means, when you have a verbal communication with the patient, the handover, or with any other clinician, nursing staff, any other medical healthcare staff, the documentation should be proper. It should be honest, because it is about patient's safety. A human being's life is at cost. So honesty is most important in this profession. So this was all about EHR. Hope you liked the video, and if you have more topics to cover, and if you want me to give you more information, please comment down below.